Have you ever wondered why some people work tirelessly, day and night, yet still end up broke at the end of every month? And then there are others who seem to attract money effortlessly, almost as if luck follows them everywhere. The truth is, it's not about luck, it's about habits. Yes, the invisible habits that either attract wealth or silently destroy it. Today, we're uncovering the 7 deadly money habits that are keeping you poor, the same habits that the rich avoid at all costs. If you recognize even one of these in yourself, it might be the very reason you're stuck financially. Stay with me until the end, because the last one is the most dangerous, and it's a secret the rich rarely tell. Our greatest enemy isn't poverty, it's our own brain. Your brain is wired to crave immediate pleasure. That little dopamine hit right now. That's why when we get some money, our first thought is often, what can I buy? A new phone, a new jacket, or that overpriced coffee just to post on Instagram. But here's the truth. Everything that gives you instant happiness often steals your long-term freedom. Wealthy people delay gratification. They train their minds to say, I'll wait now so I can have more later. That's the core difference between poor and rich thinking. The poor want comfort today. The rich want freedom tomorrow. You have probably heard this before. The ones who show off the most often have the least. So many people spend money to impress others, buying things they can't afford, to impress people they don't even like. They justify it with credit cards, unnecessary loans, or the deadly phrase, you only live once. But when you spend more than you earn, you're not buying comfort. You're buying chains. You're trading your future for a temporary feeling of status. The poor buy status symbols. The rich buy assets. It's simple. If you consistently live above your means, you will always stay below your potential. People plan everything. What to wear, where to go on vacation, what to watch on a Friday night. But when it comes to their money, there's no plan at all. Money comes in and just disappears. No tracking, no direction, no control. This is financial blindness, and it quietly destroys lives. Rich people know exactly where every dollar goes. They treat their money like a team, assigning every single dollar a job, because if you don't tell your money where to go, it will simply leave. A budget doesn't limit your freedom. It creates it. It's the map that guides you to where you want to go financially. Here's a hard truth. Poor people chase money. Rich people chase time. Why? Because time is the real currency of life. You can lose money and earn it back, but once time slips away, it's gone forever. Think about how many hours are spent scrolling social media, watching random videos, or gossiping about others. Meanwhile, wealthy people use their time differently. They're learning, building, thinking, and investing. They understand that their time is their most valuable asset. If you don't respect your time, money will never respect you either. Your wealth is a direct reflection of how you value your time. This world is divided into 2 types of people. Those who say, my life is my responsibility, and those who say, it's the system, the government, my bad luck. The second group almost always stays broke. As long as you see yourself as a victim of your circumstances, you can't become the creator of your financial destiny. You give away all your power. The moment you say, my situation is the result of my choices, you become powerful. Because responsibility is the very first step toward freedom. Blame keeps you stuck in the past. Ownership sets you free to build a better future. If your thinking today is the same as it was 5 years ago, don't be surprised if your life looks exactly the same too. Many people think education ends with school. Rich people know that real learning never stops. Books, courses, mentors, new skills, financial knowledge. These are assets that can never be taken away from you. Money follows growth. When your mind expands, your bank account follows. Your mind is the factory that produces your wealth. If you don't upgrade the factory, you can't expect a better product. If you upgrade your mind, you upgrade your money. The most dangerous prison in the world is fear. So many people dream of wealth but never take the first step. They're paralyzed by the what ifs. What if I fail? What will people say about me? What if I'm not good enough? And right there, that's where their story ends. Rich people feel fear too. The difference is they act despite it. They understand that every single opportunity is hidden behind a little bit of risk. If you never take a risk, you will never earn the reward. You think staying still is safe, but in reality, it's the most dangerous choice of all. Because time keeps moving forward, and while you stand still, others are lapping you. If you noticed carefully, all 7 of these habits have one thing in common. They are not caused by the world out there. They are created by us in here. The enemy isn't your boss, the economy, or your background. The real battle is in your mind. The moment you change how you think, everything else begins to change. So from today, make a promise to yourself. Say it with me. I will control my spending. I will never stop learning. I will take full responsibility for my life. I will value my time. I will act even when I'm afraid. Because poverty doesn't start in your wallet, it starts in your mind. And once your mind changes, your destiny changes. If you truly want to move toward financial freedom, watch this video again whenever you need motivation. Remove these 7 habits, one by one, from your life. To make it real, write in the comments below, I choose financial freedom. Let this be your declaration, your first powerful step toward wealth, growth, and peace. The rich aren't special. They've just mastered the habits that the poor ignore. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more content that will help you build the life you deserve.